Hello everyone, CodeChef is here. We are going on with our 20-second exercise named small number of nodes. In this exercise, we have 6 denominations: 1 RS, 2 RS, 5 RS, 10 RS, 50 RS, and 100 RS. In the sum of RS, and we have the sum of the RS, the currency of for nodes is n. We need to combine the RS so we get the smallest number of nodes. Firstly, we have t number of test cases, and in the next t lines we have n, an integer number that represents the combined sum of the currency of the nodes, the price of the nodes. So for example, in the first test case, it is 1200 and divided by 100, that's 12, and it leaves 0 RS for the other ones, that's why it's the answer 12. Then the last one divided by 200 is 2, that's 2. Then we have 4 dividing by 10 and 1 dividing by 2. So let's go on. We have t number of test cases and n, and also we have an helping variable prices. We had 6 number there, that's why we have 6 here, and we initialize with the values 1, 2, 5, 10, 50, and 100, and then we read the number of test cases. We have the 4, which iterates for to pass through each test case, check each test case, and then we read the sum of the monies that we have to buy nodes, and after that we have a cycle, while cycle, which ends when we have no money left. So we have 2 helping variables. One of them is the counter starting from 0, that counts how many nodes we have bought, and the next one is h, which starts from 5, the last element of the array. In this case, the value will value 100. So the counter gets plus the price divided by the prices from h. Prices, I've written there wrong, we correct there. And as we said in the first example, n divided by prices is 1200 divided by 100 is 12, and that's adds to the result. And the remainder in this division is the remainder of the money after buying those notes with the highest price. And then price modulus equal to prices of h. Oops, that's n, the price, wrong variable. And after that we decrease the value of h to -1, so we go and check if we can buy with the other price, until we reach the first price, when we probably will have a remainder 0, or we can have that remainder even earlier as we had in the first test case. And after that, after this cycle, we just output the counter and a new line. That's all about this exercise. all left for this is just testing in the CodeChef servers, waiting for it to load so we can test. Takes a while testing, so I would like to thank you for the time you spent watching our videos. uh, and I here we have the response that we solved it again correctly. Thanks for watching once again. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking the red button right below, like button, and don't forget also to turn on the notification by clicking the notification bell to not miss the upcoming videos. See you soon. Code Purpose.